everyone, welcome to WayKen Rapid Manufacturers channel. This is Linda and I'd like to share something about incoming quality control of WayKen. Incoming quality control, IQC for short, is the first level of quality control before production. It refers to the quality confirmation and inspection of purchased raw materials and components. The primary requirement of IQC is to ensure the correctness of quantity, dimension, and grade. Secondly, even a long-term and trusted supplier may try to take shortcuts by compromising the quality of the materials or the products little by little over time. To better control the incoming materials inspection, WayKen has invested in brand new equipment. The Olympus X-ray fluorescence analyzer is handheld and easy for operation. Just put it on the metal grade and elements will be shown on the screen several seconds later. It provides elemental analysis for faster allo-grade identification. It doesn't in any way affect the surface, and it can also do rows testing of plastics by telling what heavy elements are in there, even it's a metal testing gun. With it, the inspection on incoming materials will be more accurate and efficient. This not only ensures machining quality and efficiency, but also improves the stability and quality of the products. That's it for today. Thank you again for joining us, and we hope our sharing helps to build your trust in us. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. See you next time.